Hello guys,
Hello.
I'm back with a new channel. I'm playing Rival. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time and it's been doing stuff. By the way, I made it to 13. I made it to 13 block streets. I'll make another video about that later. But yeah, we're gonna be 1v1ing my friend. This is this is him right here.
I'm right here jumping.
1v1ing my friend. Now, it might be bad because I don't play on this device. I play on my phone. Let's see how it goes.
I'm gonna
3,
admit,
2, 1.
could they hear me? Could they hear me, bro?
I think they can hear you.
I'm gonna admit, I actually suck at this game. I'm not kidding.
I suck on tablet.
1v1 me all you want.
Hold
I'm
on.
still losing. I suck, kinda.
I want to say you
So
suck.
I have extra.
Okay, now I don't play on my tablet because I look like a total loser. But I do not play on my. I play on my phone, bro. So I probably look like a default. This lag is crazy because I'm on my tablet.
I don't want to get no scope.
I'm very good on my phone, but I don't record on my phone. So.
Oh my god, I am terrible at this game.
I'm terrible on tablet. You guys can see me. No, you're not. Oh, shit. Whew. I thought I wasn't good on tablet, but I don't know. I might be good. I can't go to the okay, fine. I won't go to the trampoline. Okay, that means you can't go to the trampoline.
I can, but if I'm running by, jump, and run away, yeah, it's fine.
Can I go on the trampoline?
Yeah, but you can only bounce 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Told you I suck. Gotta heal with my medikit. Bro.
Dude, all the close, but I hope you guys like this video, by the way. I hope you guys like this video, by the way.
Yeah, like the video and subscribe. Oh, give me luck, please.
Please, I need to win this.
Please. Okay, jump 1 time.
Wait, the audio might be bad because I'm probably putting my hand. Why are you trying to hit me?
This knife was kind of. Oh my god.
2, 3. I'm gonna save my jump for later for something important. I have 2 more jumps left because I
have 4 more.
Oh my god.
I'm 360 no scoping you on that.
I'd win, bro.
Wait, don't attack me. I'm picking my loadout.
I don't know if they can hear you though. I hope they can hear you. For some reason I cannot aim.
Bro, how?
Yeah. I think we're about to win. I think I'm gonna win this. Oh, GG, bro.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. I don't don't usually force them to like and subscribe because I'm not those type of YouTubers where like force them like, please like and subscribe to do this, like and subscribe. I'm not those type of YouTubers.
Yeah. Like and subscribe if you just like our videos.
You can only like and subscribe though if you only like our
At
video.
least you should get
That's the only
5
reason.
likes.
Alright, Bade, where are you? We're gonna play some 2v2s.
Okay,
So
but
you're gonna watch us play some 2v2s.
and we might lose.
Yep, because they're sluts.
And it rhymed too.
Ooh, that rhymed. Alright, so after like I'm gonna play like 3 rounds of like 2v2s and then I'll show you in Black Street. I made it to 13. Bro, do you know guys the Black Streets update was crazy. Well they reworked the whole entire third sea. Actually crazy. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it's so beautiful. And we're gonna fix the crossroads.
Now we can camp at trampoline. 'Cause
Okay,
we're
I
those
wouldn't say we're gonna camp, but
You know what RPG playground is on? Yeah, I have a pay to win weapon medikit. So yeah.
he gifted
I'm
me
not one of
medkit.
those people.
He gifted me medkit before, so he's a W friend. Oh god, guess what? See, this is what I mean by we're gonna lose. Guess what? See, I don't even play on my tablet, so I'm not good. I'm playing the default running into walls. I only play on my phone.
I'm gonna pick bow.
I cannot play on this big ass screen, bro. Big screen, bro. Screen is so big. I cannot play. If I was on my phone, I'd be cooking. So, it's off my tablet? Oh, the graphics on the tablet are just cooked. They're so bad.
Don't try to no scope him. He's not anybody.
You trying to kill me with snipe?
Spam bow. Spam bow.
Spam bow. I don't have bow. I don't want to spam. I don't want to be that type of person.
No, me.
Oh, you?
Oh my god, if I hit that shot.
Ow! Ow! Why is he hurting me? Ow! 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 You don't have to do this,
Let's heal. Okay, we both heal.
bro. Oh my god, he killed me. No, that's gonna be too mean. Our viewers are gonna be like, what is he doing?
I just teabagged on him.
Well, that's not a good
I did
thing.
that.
That's not a good thing for us. Well, it's okay, guys. He's just learning. He's kind of
You know the streamer?
He's
He
kind
has
of
like, a polar bear.
Okay, then why are you learning from him? Why are you learning from him?
Who?
He's toxic. That toxic streamer. I can't even talk. Heal?
I hope I can heal.
You can heal. He's not gonna face you. Oh, like, imagine you hit that. Imagine you hit that. You're gonna just kill him with your chainsaw. Never mind.
Oh my god. Bro, he's using the sniper.
I can
But
use
he might
sniper.
have aimbot because controller can have aimbot, bro.
Yeah, I know. Controller has a bot. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you ever face a controller player, controller player, then you might be cooked. So if you guys ever play Rivals and you encounter a controller player, you might be cooked, or he might be just a little noob on controller.
Where's little boy at?
I see him, he's right here. He's not gonna die though. That's what we mean. He's not.
Bro, what can we win? I'll be the biggest
I mean, we might win. I don't know.
They only won because you died first.
Yeah, that's because I'm on tablet. That's because I'm on tablet, duh. I'm not actually bad.
Tabs are actually OP.
I'm not actually bad on tablet. Maybe just like a little bit. That's it.
All I hear is that dagger throwing, bro.
What is
Oh
you?
my god. Oh, by the way, guys, if you have aimbot, just stop using aimbot before you get yourself banned.
Yeah, don't download aimbot cheats.
You can have like aim assist speed like 2%, but not like 100, bro. Like if you use 100, you're just bad at the game.
Okay, don't say that to our audience. Stop, big, stop. Don't actually
No,
say that. I mean, they're not
I
bad.
don't mean like you're not bad at the game. But if you have like aimbot and like you suck at the game,
Yeah, like if you download aimbot, like, and you don't have it from the game, then hey, I'm just saying that's on you. That's just bad. That's not good.
oh, I swear, hit that shot.
Oh, they need to stop coming for me. I'm just a little scared boy camping in the corner. Okay, babe, you're gonna make them get brain rot if you say that, bro. Please do not say that. Like I'm being like I'm Nick A30, bro. I'm like, please stop. That's not nice. No, I said I'm being like Nick A30. Why am I log you? I'm not supposed to log you.
Bro,
I accidentally pressed log you.
No. What if I say this and Nick A30 hears? Joseph's the king.
Ooh, yeah. I was gonna blow up your house and find you. I was gonna actually find you. I was gonna be like, mods, ban him and blow up his house. No, I said blow up. No, I said blow up, not block. I said blow up. That's even worse.
Blow up my house is just crazy.
Yeah, he said that before. He said that before.
Actually?
Yeah, he said that in his stream. I don't know if it's editing or it's fake, but I think he said that.
Oh my god, I just saved myself.
Is bro hiding? Where did bro just go? He just disappeared. He actually just disappeared.
Oh my god, I actually got a kill.
Bro, I'm so low. If someone hits me again with the dagger. Yeah, we lost. We lost. There's no hope. There's no mercy for us. We lost. We just lost.
Nah, they want to play like that.
No, I have to use bow because I'm really good with bow. I have to use bow because I'm really good with bow.
Bro, daggers are broken.
I know, bro, they're broken.
He's actually using aimbot. I'm not even kidding.
Oh, what?
Those bad at the game, he got using aimbot.
No, he's not. There's no person like him to use it. Ah!
Mod, Brayden's him and fine. No!
Dude, teabagging on me, bro. What is this generation? Generation Bro, what are you talking about brain rot? You're literally saying brain rot earlier.
No, remember Isaac in our class?
Bro,
Remember him?
you're still saying brain rot. What are you talking about?
No.
You can't just blame it on someone else, bro. You're literally talking like brain rot. Okay, I think we have to end this video because I think it's too long and I don't think anyone is gonna watch this when it's so long. Alright, so bye guys. I'm gonna make another Blox Fruits video later. Peace out. Watch this video, please. And I love you guys. Bye.
Okay, next